Welcome to the show, everybody. It's the Crypto Lark, bringing you this April 5th edition of what is happening in the crypto world. Bitcoin down 8.3% on the 24-hour, Ethereum following right behind that. Bitcoin currently sitting at $6,842. The whole market is red, of course, as usual, being drugged down by a slump in Bitcoin. Although there are some outliers. Ardor is up 12% on the 24-hour at 29 cents. Dragon Chain up 20% on the 24-hour at 79 cents. Zcoin making a big move, up 26% in the last 24 hours, reaching nearly $40. Ontology is slowing down big time in its growth, only up 1% in the last 24 hours at $2.33. And Verge still up 44% on the week in the anticipation of some very big news, as they promise. Although it is down 17% on the day after news of a 51% attack on the network has come out. Over in Canada, Hyperblock to buy cryptocurrency mining firm for 106 million Canadian dollars. Not surprising to see these kind of acquisitions happening by big companies. Over in Sweden, Sweden could launch a cryptocurrency, the e-krona, powered by IOTA. Of course, we are seeing a lot of national cryptocurrencies being proposed. This could certainly be a very interesting and compelling case, though, for IOTA and both for Sweden to bring in great digital money concepts. Craig Wright's bad week continues after a very public smackdown by Vitalik Buterin. He has been served up with a summons for a $10 billion lawsuit from David Kleinman's estate, his former partner, deceased partner. Over in Canada, ICOs can pose fundamental issues, says Ontario Securities Regulator. Now, this is just a statement. They say they're going to be looking into it more this year. Nothing official, of course, has come out yet. This is unsurprising language from a securities regulator. We'll have to see how that situation develops, keeping a close eye on it. Alibaba, the e-commerce giant, is suing a Dubai ICO over using the name Alibabcoin, claiming that they're intentionally misleading people. Watch out for branding out their ICOs. This was an unsurprising turn of events, and a turn of events that I certainly foresaw coming. The Ethereum community considers a hard fork to fight ASIC miners. Of course, this is on the news that not only Bitmain has come out with an Ethereum ASIC miner, but that there are also other companies that are in development of Ethereum ASIC miners as well. I'm not sure how I feel about this one. Ethereum will be moving to proof of stake anyway, so why hard fork to invalidate the miners? Why not just let it happen? Let the best projects and the best products come to the top instead of continually modifying your blockchain. Ripple has tried to buy its way onto major exchanges for cryptocurrency. They have offered both Gemini and Coinbase millions of dollars, $1 million cash payment with a $100 million XRP loan if they would only list them on their exchange. Both of those major exchanges have, unfortunately, though, for Ripple, denied them. SatoshiPay launching a big giveaway program for 1 million of its users. They are giving away 10 million euros worth of Stellar Lumens. So if you are a SatoshiPay customer, get ready. If you're not a SatoshiPay customer, take note. The guys from Shapeshift are bringing us Prism. This is in closed beta right now. I think a lot of people are very excited to see this get opened up so everyone can get out and use it. But this will be a portfolio management tool. The guys from Ravencoin have released their white paper. A lot of people, of course, are very excited about that. I will be doing a review on Ravencoin here in the near future to give you guys some more information on that project. Icon giving us some information on their token swap. So I'll have a link down for all the articles actually that we're discussing today below, but the main idea is that the token swap is coming very soon. They will, of course, be working with major exchanges to help facilitate that process for people holding their icon in those exchanges. or also you'll be able to do the token swap through the Icon wallet. Ontology announces venture capital cooperation to co-build a next generation chain network. Great, of course, to see big investments coming into Ontology. Unsurprising, of course, considering the scope of the Ontology project, but some major VC firms coming in and putting their support behind Ontology. Just a quick update as well on some ICOs you might want to be putting your eye on that are coming up here in the next few weeks. We have the FIC network bringing bonds to the blockchain. Wright looking to bring business integration to the blockchain. Eligma e-commerce solutions for the blockchain. Block Nation, Komodo's first decentralized ICO, working with RFID tags. And the first ICO coming out on Icon, Blue Whale, looking to set up a decentralized ecosystem for the self-employed. That is your news bit for today. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.